Okay, and we need to find out the value. And for this one, for the first one, x, tangent x equals to opposite at adjacent, so x equals to 6.2. And for b, and we can use cosine 38 equals to 53.1 divided r. And for this one, and for this r, we need to times r on the both side, and then we can cancel this r, and then divide and the cosine 38 on both sides, and then we can cancel this 38, and r equals to 5.53.1 divide cosine 38. And for this one you can find it's just r and cosine 8 switch their position, and r equals to 67.4. And then for C is 9t equals to 3.8 divided 5, and then t is 49 degree. And for D is cosine 44 degree is b divide 67.1, and for this one b equals to 64.1 times cosine 44 degree, so b is 48.3. And then for E, and E is tangent 60 degree equals to, and opposite divide adjacent, and then we need to switch these two, and it's a 60, so a is 188.87. And then for the last one, and the last one is cosine x is 2 divided 3, so x is 48 degree. Okay, and for this one, and if you draw a graph like this one, and so this is 19 degree, and down horizontal is driven a downhill side for 400, and we need to find x. So we just use sine 90 is x divided 400, and then x equals to 400 times sine 90, so x equals to 130.2. Okay, so it's 130 meters lower. Okay, and number 4. And so let's draw a rectangle like this one, and so this one is 35, and then this is short side is 58 degree, and we need to find out the length and width of the rectangle. Okay, and this is A, this is B, and now we have the hypotenuse, and this is right angle, so we can first cosine 58 degree equals to A divided 35, so, and then A equals to 35 times cosine 58, and this equals to this one. And for B is we can use sine 58 equals to opposite divide hypotenuse, so B equals to 35 times sine 58, so it equals to 29.7. And for number 5, and the first, and the building is 28, and we need to find the car. The car is here, then so this one here, and the angle depression. Okay, and angle depression, so this one is 30, and then of course this one is 33, and we need to find distance is this one. And for this one we can use tangent. Tangent 33 equals to 28 divide d, and then we just switch these two position, and for here is 28 divide tangent 33, so d equals to 43.1, and so the distance, so distance equal to 43 meters. And number 7, we need to solve the triangle ABC. Okay, and for now we have AC and BC. So, and first let's do AB. And AB is based on the Pythagoras theorem, and AB is equals to 38 square plus 29 square. AB equals to square root 2285, so it's 48. And then we can use AB and the BC, AC and BC for tangent. For example, like tangent A equals to, so it's and A is 43 degree, and then one way you can still use tangent B, or is 180 minus 53 minus 90, so equals to angle B is 37 degree. And then for number 8, and for number 8 we can find angle T is 180 minus 90 degree minus and 74 degree equals to 16 degree. And then we can use like sine and s and equals to 19.8 dy hypotenuse st. So and s is 74 degrees, so we can just switch these two, switch them the position. St equals to 19.8 dy sine 4, so st equals to 20.2. And then for rs, and for I, so we can use tangent. Tangent 74 degree equals to and 90.8 divide SR, and then SR equals to 19.8 divide tangent 74 degrees, so SR equals to 5.27. Number 10, and number 10 we have, yes, we have angle, but it's impossible to solve this triangle because there's no side is given, and we cannot find any length of side. And then for the last one, E, 11, okay, and for this one, and based on the Pythagoras theorem, so PM square equals to 3 square plus 7.2 square, so PM equals to square equals to 60.84, and the PM is about and 7.8. Okay, so the answer is E.